The willingness to listen, the patience to understand, the strength to support, the heart to care, and just to be there. That is the beauty of a lady. A very good morning to Reverend Principal Sir, respected supervisors and teachers. On behalf of LITV Public School, I am Mamata Dey. Welcome you all to the International Women's Day celebration. Women are the real architect of the society. A nation never progress until it recognizes the equality and the rights of a woman. International Women's Day is a global day celebrating the social, economical, cultural, political achievements of women. Women are always a source of inspiration for the family and the society. I would like to request my teacher colleague, Mr. Vasant Kumar Mahapatra sir, to share his views on this important day. So please.
Good morning everybody present over here. Esteemed principal sir, respected supervisors, and my worthy colleagues. Today I really feel honored and privileged to be chosen to speak on this very auspicious occasion of International Women's Day. On this very day, from the core of my heart, I extend a very happy Women's Day to all my colleagues. And when I asked the topic, I was given the topic, the role of men in empowering the women. So I'll be speaking on this topic today. Before I start, I will quote Mary Wollstonecraft, a renowned 18th century feminist. If you have time, you can go through also his work, her work. Please listen carefully for extract. Men look for beauty and the simpler of good humor docility. Women are captivated by easy manners. A gentleman-like man seldom fails to please them. And their thirsty ears eagerly drink the insinuating nothings of politeness. While they turn from the unintelligible sounds of the charmer region, charm he never so wisely. The overall meaning of this extract is, women are hungry for love and affection. And they can be easily influenced by menfolk. And this is the fact we all know, we have all experienced, how we are easily influenced, easily exploited by the sweet words and manners. But today, we'll discuss, in addition to the sweet words, what men can do in empowering women. So, first, point number one, men should increase their participation in domestic work and family responsibilities to strive for work-life balance together. Friends, in India, working women lead a life of dual responsibilities if they are married and have a family. Here in India, women still have traditional roles to fulfill and prefer a career to avoid domestic drudgery. When men equally participate in domestic work, their burden will be less. One simple example I want to cite here. As mothers, we should inculcate in our sons the same idea. But when time passes, we blame others. We blame the men folk that actually they are not cooperating. But we should inculcate from the very beginning to our sons also. For one example I want to give. When our sons doing some, suppose sweeping the house, cleaning anything, we say, what you are doing? I will try, I want to use my own language here. तो किसी काम धंधा नहीं की, जियो पिला काम उड़ा करूँ. So this particular sentence actually changes the mindset of this the son, the boy. He thinks that these qualities or these works are designed for only women or girls. I should not do that. Again, as fathers also, as we are all teachers, from the very beginning we have to give the ideas to our sons and daughters. As fathers, what we should do? As I want to quote here one philosopher, he says, children may not be good at studies, but they are very good at imitating. As fathers, what we should do? Sometimes we can do or we can help in domestic work like peeling the vegetables, little bit cooking also, if possible. So in that way, our sons will be getting that idea that yes, this domestic work is not meant for my mother only. It is my father also, or it is his duty also. So we should inculcate that idea from the very beginning as mothers and as sons, as fathers also. So point number 2, men should advocate for women's access to employment, rights and opportunities. We should change our mindset. Actually, we are creating distinction between boys and girls, alienating them, inculcating in their mind that you are a girl, you should behave like a girl. One simple example I want to just cite here. When one girl child is born in our family and with the passing of time she grows, we take her to art classes, Odissi dance class. Please don't take it negatively, I am not saying positively. But we do not take her to karate classes. That is the reason. And when our counterparts in Japan and China and even Tibet, you all have gone to Karnagar to buy that is winter wears from Tibetan, we have seen there lot of women selling their winter. They can travel any place they like alone. They do not fear anyone because of the self-defense they got in their childhood. And contrary to means our particular place, what we do, suppose our daughters or sisters examination center is Bhubaneswar, we fathers or brother, they accompany our sisters and daughters to the examination center. This is the thing we should be aware. And I will just request here, instead of taking music classes, dance classes, we will take no doubt. But at the same time, we should give our girl child defense training from the very beginning. But this is the need of the hour also. And point number 3, if you are an organization, create positive male role models and gender equality by introducing fair employment practices, anti-discrimination measures, gender inclusive decision making, and by combating sexual harassment in the workplace. And if I say, so far as this particular point is concerned, our DAV organization has fulfilled. I am proud of being a part of this glorious organization where I can see our mothers or sisters, our women folk have got good employment opportunities. I can say their participation is more. Rather, men here are a minority. And especially I have felt in orientation classes where actually 250 women participants will be there and will be 4 or 5 and we feel awkward to go to the stage there. Sometimes we'll be colleagues what you are doing there and you are not coming up from your comfort zones, sitting very comfortably there, sometimes we are said. But in spite of that, we fear and we feel awkward to go because before 250 our sisters and mothers and going to the front actually we feel sometimes awkward at that time. We have committees to look into discrimination, gender related issues. Number of my very experienced supervisors ma'am, previous supervisor ma'am, I always take guidance when I need, and they work actually working for that. They have different committees of sexual harassment, then you have gender related issues. So no need to say as part of this organization you all are aware of this. Again, we should not forget that a woman is our mother, our sister, our daughter and our wife. 4 rules. And we should not take all women in same angle. We have to change our mindset. And that is why from the beginning I said, as fathers and as mothers, we should give this idea to our kids. Their progress is our progress, our state's progress and our country's progress. Though we find women in every field of development, their participation is still not up to mark. It is our responsibility of manfolk to support them and try to fulfill each dream of theirs. And if we can do this, this will be the real celebration of International Women's Day. Otherwise, I don't think only celebrating and here has any value. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Your words really define women in a divine way. Now, I would like to request our Reverend Principal, sir, to speak a few words on this occasion. Sir, please.
Good morning, all the ladies and women of LRDAV. So at the outset, I congratulate and I offer my good wishes for the International Women's Day.
Thank you, sir.
The Bhasan sir has told many things which is facts. So today is a very unique day, we can say, that we are celebrating the International Women's Day, the real power of the society. As you know, the 50% of the total population of the world almost is women. But if you see the equality, it differs from place to place. And every stage of the government is taking how to protect the women, how to give the more and more education to the women. Because in every child, learning from is the mother. If the mother is not be educates, then the children will be like this. Many facts are there. If you see the Mahabharata and Ramayana, everything is created by the women when the people not given the proper respect. If you come to the Mahabharata, when Draupadi was offended in the Kaurava Sabha, that was the big creation of this Mahabharata Yuddha. जदि द्रौपदी से दिन अपमानित न होई थांता ताले महाभारत युद्ध हेई न थांता तो महाभारत युद्ध होगा निहाती दरकार थी जब किसी जो इल मेंटालिटी पर्सन सब डिस्ट्रॉय हेई था आसेदिन जदि आमे रामायण को जीवा जदि रामचंद्र जो वनवास जाइथिले जदि रावण ताको न नहीं थांता ताहले रामायण युद्ध मध्य ही न थांता जदि रावण ताको नबार गोटे योजना थिला इंडायरेक्टली भगवान कर कारण किछि इल मेंटालिटी पर्सन्स आर देयर दे हैव टू डिस्ट्रॉय इन एवरी जुग सबु जुगरे किछि किछि लोक मरिबा पई कि प्रकृत नारी मानकर साहाय्य ले जाए और नारी मानकर शक्ति एते अधिका आपण दुर्गा ठर आरंभ करी कि जे कोन से जगह जिबे महाभारत रामायण को जदि उद्धार करिवे नारी शक्ति ही नंबर 1 one of the philosopher of the American told the Indian woman should get the highest salary of this country. Indian housewife should get the highest salary of this country. And very logically told, if you go to the America or the Western countries, what are the role of women there? And he divided in 21 parameters. Point 1 parameter, the light partner. Because in the American, the light pattern is continuing changing. And those becomes its light life partner, they are called the contractual marriage. And the contractual marriage, they are giving some amount. Point number one. Point number two, because I am telling first about you, how powerful you are. Second point, to take care of the child. Because American, they are borrowing the woman and paying some dollar per month to take care of their child. Third point, to take care of the house. They are giving some amount. To cooking, they are taking some amount. To spending the life, happy life, because the family concept are not there. Because when the children becomes the age of 14 to 15, they are leaving their parents. And when the people are getting 60 or 70, 60 years, they are going to the Vruddhashram, old age home. So family concept is not there. You might be astonished to listen. Those Indians are there in America and other countries, and those are pure American. They are calling this Indian person to come and join with her family for 1 hour, so that we'll talk freely and we'll know the concept of the sister, mother, father, wife and others. That is called the family borrowing of the family. And per hour they are paying the money, some dollars. And some persons are there to guide the माने आमे कहबा वॉचमैन बा वॉचवुमेन सेमान पे भी सेमान पैसा दियंती जदि टोटल गोटे हाउस वाइफ रो पैसा में अमेरिकन डॉलर रे कन्वर्ट करिबा दैट विल बी द हाईएस्ट सैलरी ऑफ द इंडियन कंट्री. So those are working, they will be little more that, and those are not working, they should get the highest salary of our country with respect to what is the spending or expenditure they are done by the Western countries and America. So on this auspicious day, I must salute every woman, your contribution starting from the home till your professional life, because you are the person those are really taking care of the child. You are really the nation builder, because at every home the aim and objective of the man is to earn some money, and aim and objective of this woman to build up the family, to inculcate the concept of the family with all the members, to distribute the love and affection to everyone, to make it bonding. If the family bonding is there, it is only due to the woman, not by the man. So, the role of woman in this auspicious occasion, it is really very tough. But 4-5 दिन तक गोटे पेपर रे पढ़िथिली जे झियोटे हेले हमर समाज रो जो कांसेप्ट अछि गोटे झियोटे हेले आगु एबे चेंज हे गेलानी भारी मन दुख होतला ए पुओटे हेलानी झियोटे हेला दुईटा तीनटा जदि झियो गेला आगु मन दुख तापर किछि लोक अछि झियो मान को घृणा करंती एबे किंतु ताक संख्या बहुत कमी गेलानी आमे झियोटी हेले मन दुख करूछे किंतु पुओ बाहागर करिया को 100टी झियो जाई देखुछे झियोटी हेले भारी मन पुओ जदि बाहागर करिया को नाही एबडे झियोटे दरकार मते से बडे झियोटे दरकार 100टी झियो मिनिमम देखुछे. दिस इज द कांसेप्ट ऑफ द इंडियन कांसेप्ट. मींस we are loving the girl, we are loving the woman, we are giving the respect to the woman, but sometimes we are showing that we are not liking the women, girl side and others. This is the real concept. जो पुओटी झियो मान को घृणा करे सी मध्ये 10-12 टी झियो देखे मोर कोती लाइफ पार्टनर हो So this is the real concept of this Indian society. So Indian society रे आमे झील मान को बहुत सम्मान दियो तो लोक देखने ପାଇଁ कि आमे तांको घृणा करू जाओ द गवर्नमेंट तो बहुत स्टेप नेलानी वुमेन को एजुकेट करिया ପାଇଁ कि and women literacy is going on increasing. And the very good news that in every result you might have seen the girls' sides are doing better than the boys. The pass percentage, even in the performance, in every field the girls' sides are more than the women. So that is the thing. So it is my respect and a message to all the women colleagues, those are working with us. So try to be a perfect woman, starting from the home to the professional. Try to be a perfect woman. Women manଙ୍କର ଯାହା ଶକ୍ତି ଅଛି କାହାର ନାହିଁ. They have the highest patience capacity because the men do not have the patience. They will lose the patience immediately. Love and affection will start from the women, and some of these men are only borrowing it. It is not their inbuilt character, I can say. It is the inbuilt character of women. And if the combined family will see, suppose दिचारी भाई एकाडी मिसिकी रहिथिबे, दिचारी भाई एकाडी मिसिकी रहिथिबे, the secret of the success is women. आज यदि न रहिथिबे भी, that is the secret of failure is women. This is the real facts. Because you see, men, I already told you their aim and objective is to earn, and they will not participate maximum in the family life. They will participate minimum in the family life, and when they will return from their working field, that woman will tell. That depends upon the woman whether she will tell positively or negatively. If positively, then the family will exist. Negatively, the family will break. Because you see, एबे तो WhatsApp रे अपन देखिथिबे बढ़िया बढ़िया इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूज़ सब आसे जे हाउ एबे समस्त कॉन्सेप्ट जानि गेल जे झियो माने बहुत बापा मानकर केयरिंग नियंती. I think it is true. But people say कहीं ना झियो माने ताका बापा मानकर केयर नियंती. मु कहूनी जे सासु ससुरकर केयर नियंती नि बोली. बापा मानकर केयर जदि 70 ରୁ 80% नियंती, सासु ससुरकर 20-30% नियंती as per the statistics. तेनु कर आमी जदि झियो जन्म करिबा तार ऑब्वियसली से आमर केयर नेबे. At the old days, they will take care of their father and mother. So in this concept, you think, so many people are thinking now, the woman or the girl child is the asset for the family. Because men, who are, they will be controlled by the woman. Because what is the statistics telling? I am not telling the theoretical. Statistics telling they will be controlled by the woman. If they will be controlled by the woman, so they will forget their parents. And those are controlling, they must have the father and mother, the controlling authority, and they will give the respect to them. So logic is very clear. And nowadays these things is going on, and this is the real fact of the life. So एबे आउ झियो माने जन्म आगु जो भ्रूण हत्या होतला एबे त नै झियो मान को समस्त सम्मान दउ छु. झियो काहर जन्म के मंतव्य कोन मते लागु आज का डेट 10 वर्ष 15 वर्ष जदि जीव पूर्वरु झियो मान जन्म गला तांक घरे गणर गोटे तेलुगु रे मु देखुथिली गोटे सीरियल अछि मजे मजे देखि गीता बेले गोटे सीरियल अछि. गीता त ओडिया कन्वर्ट हेछि कलर्स टीवी रे आसुछि. सेतिरे गोटे लोकर दिटा झियो अछि. से तार स्त्री के सबड़ भी गाड़ी करे तो झियो जन्म को दिटा झियो जन्म कर से कंपैरिजन करी करे झियो करूते किंतु से जो दीटा झियो एते काम धीरे 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 करूचंती and they are dominating all the men. That is a beautiful serial that I have gone through it. So okay, anyway, so once again I wish you the happy and congratulate in the particularly yours day today, and you will dominate today in everywhere because it will be given freedom by the international. Thank you very much once again. Happy Women's Day.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. Your words express we need to live in a culture that values, respect, looks up to, and idolizes women as much as a man. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to call upon Anusia Madam and team to perform a small act on Nari Shakti. Madam, please.
मैं हूँ ओस धुनी भोर की ताजगी, मैं हूँ चढ़ते दिन की खिलती रोशनी, मैं हूँ कर्म का आधार, मैं हूँ आधुनिकता की रफ्तार, मैं हूँ ममता का बाण, मैं हूँ सृष्टि, मैं हूँ प्रकृति, मैं हूँ नीति, मैं हूँ रीति, मैं हूँ नारायण।
Displayed on Nari Shakti. It expresses feminism is not about making women stronger. Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives that the strength. Now, I would like to request Diptimai Ratha Madam to deliver a Hindi word. Madam, please.
यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। सम्माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, माननीय पर्यवेक्षिकागण, कार्यक्रम आयोजकों तथा मेरे सभी सहकर्मियों को हार्दिक अभिनंदन। आज का दिन बहुत खास है क्योंकि आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस है। इस महत्वपूर्ण दिवस पर मैं दीप्ति मयूरथ नारी जाति के संदर्भ में अपने विचारों को कविता के रूप में प्रकट करने जा रही हूँ। आशा है आप सबको पसंद आएगा। नारी, तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू खुद की खोज में निकल, क्यों तू हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इसको वस्त्र तू। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इसको वस्त्र तू। ये बेड़ियां निकाल दे, बना ले इसको शस्त्र तू। चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? ये पापियों को हक नहीं कि ले परीक्षा तेरी, कि ले परीक्षा तेरी। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, क्यों तू हताश है? तू खुद की खोज में निकल, क्यों तू हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है, जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है। तू आरती की लौ नहीं, तू क्रोध की मसाल है। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कांप जाएगा। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कांप जाएगा। अगर तेरी चुनर गिरी तो भूकंप भी आ जाएगा। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, क्यों तू हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की, तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, madam, for your heart-touching poem. Now, I would like to request Arati madam to speak a few lines on this occasion. Madam, please.
शुभ सकाळ सम्माननीय अध्यक्ष और मोर प्रिय कर्मचारी बृंद, आज महान दिवस समस्त महिला को सम्मान जनाई मो अंतर दुई पद। नारी नुहे केबे अबला, नारी नुहे केबे अबला, नुहि से केबे दुर्बला। नारीर सशस्त्रे पुरुष प्रस्तुत सबु क्षेत्र रे से सफला। नारीर सशस्त्रे पुरुष प्रस्तुत सबु क्षेत्र रे से सफला। नारी एक महान शक्ति। स्रष्टांग सृष्टि रे नारी होची श्रेष्ठ सृष्टि। नारी हाथर कोमल स्पर्श रे ए धरा धूली माटी वैकुंठरे परिणत होइछि। नारीर कोमल स्पर्श रे रंगहीन विवर्ण जीवन रंगायित हुए। नारी पुरुष प्राण रे डेना लगाए। नारी बिना ए दुनिया अधूरा असंपूर्ण। ए सब त्याग सत्य मध्य ए समाज काहेकि केजानी नारी ऊपर एते अत्याचार करुछि जना नहीं। नारी शक्ति सबुठारु शक्तिशाली। पुरुष और समाजर संपूर्ण सहयोग तापाई नित्यांत आवश्यक। आज मु समग्र महिला समाज को एतिकी कहूची, प्रत्येक महिलांकर सर्वोत्तम सुरक्षा है साहस। प्रत्येक महिलांकर सर्वोत्तम सुरक्षा है तार निजर साहस। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, madam, for your divine speech. Now, I would like to request Debjani Karavdar madam to organize a fun-filled game by some of our teachers. Madam, please.
Good morning. Good morning, Revered Principal Sir and all my colleagues. Wish you all a very happy International Women's Day. So today we will have a game. First of all, I request all the ladies to stand up and make a circle under this balloon. Under this balloon. requested to hold the balloon and come and make a circle. I request Reverend Principal Sir to come under the balloon and burst it, and then we can start the game. Yes, I request all of you to stand in a circle. Okay, now you have to save your balloon. Okay? Yes, you can burst others' balloon, but only using your hands. No other means of or ways to burst the balloon. You can burst others' balloon, but you have to save your own balloon. You have to save your own balloon, and the one who can save it till the end is the winner. And we have a surprise gift for the winner too. Your time starts now. Please continue, supportive. Sure. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. It was really very nice. Now, I would like to request Swetapadma Mishra Madam to propose vote of thanks. Madam, please.
It was really wonderful, a blissful morning to one and all. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this great day. Firstly, I would like to thank our Reverend Principal Sir. I would thank our supervisors and teacher members to spare their valuable time to be here. My utmost thanks to Anusaya Madam and team for their mesmerizing performance. Lastly, I thank Basansa, Dittimai Madam, Devjini Madam, Aarti Madam, Smita Madam, Archana Madam for supporting and making the program successful. At last, I want to say something. Every home, every heart, every feeling, every moment of happiness is incomplete without you, without we, us. Only we can complete this world. Happy Women's Day to all of you. Thank you all.